sir. Good afternoon. Expiry date po, sir, December 2026. July 2027, sir. Baka gusto niyo pong mag-add, sir, hotdog siopaw po, fast food and fast food, Mr. Donut po, sir. Meron din po kaming hot meals for cold weather, sir. You can save as much as 30% off on selected items, sir. Sir, big oven, 66 pesos lang. Milo chop bites, 12 pesos lang, sir. Baka gusto mo pong i-try, masarap yan, sir. Sir, may click up po sila, sir.
Pero, kabisado ko naman yung number mo nila.
Yung number niya na ano, sir. Okay, sir. Input na lang natin, sir.
99025-023-67907 po.
907. Okay po, sir. Na-input na po yung card number niyo, sir. Mode of payment po natin, sir. Nag-accept na din po kami ng card, e-payment, QRPH po, and 7-Eleven gift certificate po. Ano po mode of payment natin, sir? Card po, sir. Bale, total niyo po, sir, is 61 pesos. Patap na lang po sila card. Pa-double check po, sir, 61. Processing.
You have received
Successful
64
din ako.
pesos. Thank you.